Hello everyone, welcome to Utkal Study Point. In this video, we will discuss weekly current affairs of 22nd to 28th November 2021. Let's start. First question. According to the survey conducted by Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, which became the cleanest city of India for the fifth time in a row, the right answer is Indore. Indore has been ranked India's cleanest city for the fifth time by Swachh Sarvekshan 2021, the central government annual cleanliness survey under Swachh Bharat mission. Next question. Which of the following state government has recently set up a fintech governing council to become a global fintech hub? The right answer is Government of Tamil Nadu. Government of Tamil Nadu has constituted a fintech governing council in a bid to become global fintech hub. Next question. Which country has recently signed a submarine deal with new defense alliance with the US and UK? The right answer is Australia. Australia, UK and USA formally signed agreement on nuclear submarine. It is the first agreement on technology to be publicly signed since the three countries announced in September the formation of Defense Alliance. Next question. The Zircon hypersonic cruise missile was successfully test fired by which country recently? The right answer is Russia. Russia successfully test fired hypersonic cruise missile Zircon recently. Next question. Where has Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of Ultra Mega Solar Park? The right answer is Jhansi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of 6 megawatt Ultra Mega Solar Park in Jhansi. Next question. Who is the author of the book India versus the UK? The story of unprecedented diplomatic win. The right answer is Syed Akbar Uddin. Syed Akbar Uddin is the author of the book India versus UK, the story of unprecedented diplomatic win. Next question. According to Air IQ Air data, how many cities in India are among the world's 100 most polluted city in the year 2020? The right answer is 46 cities. According to IQ Air data, India had 46 of the world's 100 most polluted cities. In 2020, air pollution continues to be present, one of the biggest health hazards to people across the world. Next question. Name of the winner of the Tata Literature Lifetime Achievement Award for 2021. The right answer is Anita Desai. Anita Desai conferred with the 2021 Tata Literature Award Lifetime Achievement Award. Next question. Who has been conferred with International Emmy Award for Best Actors? The right answer is David Tennant. Actor David Tennant conferred with 49th edition of International Emmy Award for Best Actor. Next question. Who is the author of the book Cooking to Save Your Life? The right answer is Abhijit Banerjee. Indian-born American economist Abhijit Banerjee has authored the book titled Cooking to Save Your Life. Next question. Which state has topped the IPF Smart Policing Index 2021 released by Indian Police Foundation? The right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has topped the IPF Smart Policing Index released by Indian Police Foundation. Next question. In which of the following state A 4-day Sagar Shakti exercise was organized in Creek sector of the Kunj Peninsula. The right answer is Gujarat. In Gujarat state, a 4-day Sagar Shakti exercise was organized in Creek sector of Kunj Peninsula. Next question. Which of the following organization has given award under Together for Peace initiative in collaboration with ABU? The right answer is UNESCO. UNESCO ABU Peace Media Award. The award were given by UNESCO in collaboration with Asian Pacific Broadcasting Union under Together for Peace initiative. Next question. Lachit Day is celebrated by which Indian state annually? The right answer is Assam. In Assam, Lachit Day is celebrated every year on November 24. Next question. Which is the world's most polluted capital for the third straight year as per 2020 World Air Quality Report? Right answer is New Delhi. New Delhi is the world's most polluted capital for the third straight year as per 2020 air quality data. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone of which international airport on 25th November? The right answer is Noida International Airport. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of Noida International Airport on 25th November. Next question. President Ramnath Kovind has honored Group Captain Abhinandan of the Indian Army with which award? The right answer is Veer Chakra. President Ramnath Kovind awarded Veer Chakra to Wing Commander Abhinandan Bardhaman of Indian Army, who shot down an F-16 fighter jet of Pakistan Air Force. Next question. Which player has won men's single title at the 2020 Indonesian Master Badminton Tournament? The right answer is Kento Momoto. Kento Momoto has won the men's single title of Indonesian Master Badminton Tournament. Next question. The 56th Conference of Director Generals of Police and Inspector Generals of Police has been organized in which city of the Intelligence Bureau? The right answer is Lucknow. The 56th Conference of Director Generals of Police and Inspector General of Police has been organized in Lucknow by Intelligence Bureau. Next question. India took part in traditional exercise Dosti with the navies of which country? The right answer is Australia, Maldives and Sri Lanka. The traditional exercise Dosti held between India, Maldives and Sri Lanka. Next question. Who won the fiction prize for his novel Hell of Book at the 72nd National Book Award 2021? The right answer is Jason Motte. Jason Motte won the fiction prize for his novel Hell of Book at the 72nd National Book Award 2021. Next question. Where has BRO built the world's highest motorable road? The right answer is Ladakh. The Border Roads Organization has created a world record by constructing highest motorable road at Umling Le Pass in Ladakh. Next question. President Ramnath Kovind inaugurates Adarsh Village Sui in which state? The right answer is the President of India Ramnath Kovind visited Sui village of Bhitwani district of Haryana to inaugurate various public facilities in village. This village developed as Adarsh Village. Next question. Who has inaugurated the world's most sophisticated MRI facilities? The right answer is Dr. Jitendra Singh. The Union Minister of State Science Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh, launched the first of its kind latest and world's most sophisticated MRI facility at National Brain Research Centre, Haryana. Next question. Which country has successfully test-fired anti-satellite missile DASAT? The right answer is Russia. Russia has carried out a direct ascent anti-satellite DASAT by shooting down an old satellite which has created a debris in the low Earth orbit, according to US Space Command. Next question. Which Indian state has launched the Mother on Campus initiative to improve academic performance of students? The right answer is Tripura. Tripura Education Minister announces Mother on Campus scheme for hostel dwellers. Mothers of children staying state-run hostels and boarding school in Tripura can stay with the offsprings. Next question. Which state was awarded as Best Marine State during Fisheries Award 2021? The right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh awarded as Best Marine State during Fishery Award 2021. Next question. The tribal minister planned to set up how many museums are dedicated to tribal freedom fighters across the country? The right answer is 9. The tribal minister planned to set up 9 museums are dedicated to tribal freedom fighters across the country. Next question. Which of the following team has won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy title for the third time? The right answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu won Syed Mushtaq Ali Cricket Trophy for third time, defeated Karnataka in the final by 4 wickets. The final match was played at Arun Jaitley Stadium, New Delhi. Next question. Which city has achieved the top rank in inaugural Sustainable Development Goal Urban Index? The right answer is Simla. Simla has topped the Niti Aayog Sustainable Development Goal Index. Coimbatore and Chandigarh were second and third respectively the top 10. Next question. West Bank has launched a new online platform, Trade Emerge, for exporter and importer in India. The right answer is SBI Bank. State Bank of India has launched a new online platform, Trade Emerge, for exporter and importer in India. Next question. The autobiography titled Resolve Uniting Nation in Divided World has been written by which diplomat? The right answer is Ban Ki-moon. The former United Nations Secretary General Ban Ki-moon written an autobiography, Resolve Unite Nation in a Divided World. Next question. Who represented India at the 13th ASEAN Summit? Right answer is M. Venkaiah Naidu. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu represented India at 13th Asia-Europe meeting in November 25. Next question. Name of the recipient of 2021 Indira Gandhi Peace Prize. The right answer is Pratham. Mumbai-based NGO Pratham wins the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for 2021. Next question. Recently, who has launched a new scheme named Bharat Gaurav Yojana? The right answer is Indian Railway. Indian Railway launched Bharat Gaurav scheme, under which anyone, including private tour operator, will be allowed to take train on lease from railways. Next question. Who is the author of the book Conversation, India's Leading Art Historian Engaged with 101 Themes and More? The right answer is Vijayendra Nath Goswami. The vice chairman of the Sarabhai Foundation, Vijayendra Nath Goswami, written the book Conversation, India's leading art historian engaged with 101 theme and more. Next question. The fifth World Congress on Disaster Management was recently held in which city? The right answer is New Delhi. The fifth World Congress on Disaster Management was recently held in New Delhi. Next question. India took part in traditional exercise Dosti with the navies of which countries? The right answer is Maldives and Sri Lanka. India took part in traditional exercise Dosti with navies of Maldives and Sri Lanka. Next question. Who wrote the book Contested Lands, India, China and Boundary Dispute? The right answer is Marup Raja. A retired Indian Army officer, Marup Raja, wrote the book titled Contested Land, India, China and the Boundary Disputes. Next question. When is the International Day of Elimination of Violence Against Women celebrated? The right answer is 25 November. The International Day of Elimination of Violence Against Women celebrated every year on 25th November.